Hey there, it's Zach. Today I want to go over what state is in the React front-end framework. Some of the things that we're going to cover is what state is, how to set it and how to change it, and what I like to do is use event listeners. So first, everybody should know that state is what something starts as and then what it changes to. In here, you can see that near the beginning, I set this dot state. So I set this term BG to BG black. I happen to be using React strap, which uses Bootstrap. So the class name BG.something dictates what color background is going to be. So using an object literal, you can see that I brought in this.state.bg. And I created a let inside of the render function, and then I used it right here. So what this is going to do is it's going to use this state to say, okay, the BG black is going to transfer to here, and it's going to get passed in from this object literal right here to classes. Give this a quick save. Down here I have my terminal running the React build. So let's see what it looks like right now. So right now you can see it's set as black. What I did was I created some functions. So I have a function called handleEnter, which handles on my onMouse enter, and handleLeave, which is on mouse leave. So just to kind of show you that they're working, I like to throw in some console logs. So, up here, I hooked up two functions, handleEnter and handleLeave, and I've set them as event listeners that come built into React. This.handleLeave, and I set the state within this div. That's why when you see I go in, it says in box, and I leave, it says out of box. So now I know that my functions are working. So after we have it set, I'm going to use these functions and these event listeners to change state. So up here, we started out saying this.state equals etc., and then the BG key for the value BG black. You can see that on handleEnter, I have this.setState, and then this is where I'm going to change this value from BG black to BG success. This happens to be a background in Bootstrap that changes it to green. Then on leave, I'm going to set it back, same function, to background black. All the while it should continue saying console log in and out, so I know the functions are still working. I'm going to save. It's compiling real quick. It's hosted. Now we can see this changes. So down here on our console log, we see inbox, out of box. I'm going to go to sources so you can see it change. So right here you can see BG black. You can see it change from the virtual DOM. Thanks for joining today. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Thank you.